Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism martyred one more Kashmiri youth extrajudicially in Pulwama district today, raising the toll in FAC encounters in the occupied territory to 4 since Monday. The youth was martyred during a violent coordinated search operation launched by the troops late last night in Rajpura area of the district. The troops sealed all entry and exit points and conducted house-to-house searches in the area. The authorities suspended internet service while the media was barred from covering the brutal military operation. The All Party Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders in their statements strongly condemned the ruthless killing of yet another youth in custody by the brutal Indian troops in Surancoat area of Poonch district. The APHC said that fascist Indian regime led by Narendra Modi has crossed all the limits of state terrorism in the disputed territory. Tehreek-e-Wahdat Islami chairman Khatib Hussain said that India has intensified its nefarious policy of genocide by killing innocent Kashmiris in FAC encounters on daily basis. Hurriyat leader of the Samad Inqilabi appealed to the international community to put pressure on India to end bloodshed in Kashmir. Meanwhile, in blatant violation of fundamental human rights, Indian police arrested a woman and her daughter on the charges of raising pro-freedom slogans during a protest demonstration against the killing of 2 Kashmiri youth in Srinagar. The detained mother and daughter were identified as Afroza and Aisha. Pirwani Vilayat Jammu and Kashmir has strongly condemned the arrest of 2 women and termed it the worst example of state terrorism. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, while condemning the arrest of mother and daughter, has questioned the Modi-led Indian government's intentions in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In her latest tweet, she said arresting women in Kashmir marks a new law and instead of reaching out to the people, India is pushing them to the wall. The Personnel of Counterintelligence Kashmir (CIK) raided at least 14 locations, including schools and residences of Jamaat Islami members in central and southern districts of occupied territory today. On the other hand, Indian Air Force Group Captain Varun Singh was seriously injured in the chopper crash in Tamil Nadu on December 8th, died at a military hospital in Bangalore. He was the lone survivor of the crash in which Indian Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 Armed Forces personnel were killed.